That's it for today, and like I always say, stay open-minded, stay connected, and I'll see you next time on our latest Trade to Black podcast. I'm your host, Shad Gales, and thanks again, everyone, for watching.
Cannabis micro businesses. That's the buzzword in Missouri, which revealed its first round of license winners across the state.
The Kansas City Metro had the most applications for dispensaries compared to other Show Me State congressional districts. Fox 4's Jacob Kittlestat's live from Westport, home to one of the license winners. Jake, you're finding a trend with these locations?
Yeah, Lauren, we have. They're all empty buildings. Nothing's going on. But these licenses, they were announced just yesterday, and this is really a situation where you need to have that license before you can do a lot of the other work.
40 Highway in Independence. This former Steak and Shake is listed as the potential future home of a dispensary micro business. Troost Avenue. This spot, once a car lot, is the address listed on the application for a winning wholesale grow operation. And in the belly of the West Bottoms, this back alley, surprisingly a part of State Line Road, also secured a grow license. They are a few of the first 40 cannabis micro businesses getting an initial go-ahead by the state, targeting certain demos for ownership.
By both minority group members and those of limited financial means.
Dan Viets is the Missouri coordinator of Normal. He says a license will likely attract startup investors, allowing low-capital outsiders to break into the business. But state paperwork shows some applicants apparently banded together, with 74 out of the nearly 200 applicants for a Casey area dispensary listing this spot on Archibald Avenue as their potential address. Missouri health officials say that is allowed, and in fact, the licenses aren't married to a specific address. More information will be sussed out in the next month, but one highlight, the random selection process was taken very seriously.
It was conducted by the Missouri Lottery. The fact that those locations are vacant buildings now means that they are immediately available for development.
So these are going to be
Well, that's because, I mean, with the way this is set up, in order to get in, you got to actually have your paperwork that says you can be there and operate. You can't just buy the location and then be like, oh, I'm already set up and ready to go, and you ain't got the license, because they'll come shut your ass right the fuck down. That's why the locations are empty, because you can't have nothing in there until you get the license. Then once you get the license, you got 2 years to get operational. That's why they said, yeah, all the locations are currently available, or for rent, as they would say, ready for you to develop into the business, because you can't get the green light till you get the money right. You gotta pay them people their money and get approved. Then they're gonna be like, all right,
businesses. And for example,
go
the
ahead,
grow
move in,
license
set up, and
means
go.
that one of these facilities could have up to 250 flowering plants at the same time, and they could have 3 to 4 active crops over an entire year, so that's a lot more product for the marketplace. Jacob Kittlestat, Fox 4, working for you.
They only estimating one harvest every 3 to 4 months of that 250 plants.
I just came across this
I'll do 125 plants a month.
It was a
Harvest. Boom.
prize that I got in the mail from Echo. Living your best life. And I obviously had lost it. Because it was
Right, Linda reminded me to pay some bills.
her and Yoda. Some baseball cards.
I'm gonna go check out Melinda Elliott every morning on her way to work. She usually live, whatever time that is for you.
Apparently not. So I got Ed Roush. Let's see what else I got. Minnie Minosa.